Hey guys, we're back. So today we are in Bournemouth. It's raining, there's a surprise, but we've had a lovely walk around the town. We've had a little pootle around the gardens here. The pavilion is up there, a couple of bars and eateries over there, and there's that little big wheel over there. There's something exciting that the kids are going to go and do in a minute. But they've been looking forward to it all day since they've seen it. So I'll not ruin any surprises. But if you know this area, it's just to the left of me right now. But I'm just going to pop up here and see what I can see from the pier and the beach.
Take my picture now, shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies become your legacy, promise me a place in your house of memories.
This one's especially for Coops on Tour. Did you know if you went down this hill, you're actually lower than you were if you were up the hill?
So we've had a little bit of the Four Seasons, well maybe three of them. It's now dry, brightening up, and there's a bit of a view over there now. You can see underneath that cloud. So right over there, let's have a quick zoom in. Not quite sure where it is, but we're probably going to go there later tomorrow. But yeah, look at this beach. So dogs aren't allowed on this part. But just up there somewhere we can go on. There's some cliff lifts over there going up and down. Plenty of flashing lights and places to spend your money in here. And look back over the pier down there. So did a little view of the pier earlier on. What I have found is right up in the centrepiece there, and it might be a normal thing, but an ice cream is $4.75 at the bottom of the pier. So not sort of my price range, but we'll see what we can find during our walk over here. We've even got a bit of sun. Doo-dah! Woo! So I know nobody thinks I'm tight, really. But cliff lift, I'm sure at Scarborough it's 80p a ride. £2.75 a ride here. Flipping heck. So cliff lift, £2.75 adult single, £2.20 child single. Wowzers. And there's your cliff lift at Bournemouth.
Lift it up, lift it high, feel the burn under the sky. Pump the rhythm, pump the beat, muscle vibes we can't defeat. Lift it up, lift it high, feel the burn under the sky. Pump the rhythm, pump the beat, muscle vibes we can't defeat. In the gym where the iron flies, strength in every size.
So the bit Oreo's been waiting for all afternoon. The doggy bit of the beach. You ready, Oreo? Stay. You ready? You ready? Off we go. This way. This way. This side. This way. Another unexpected sight of Bournemouth. So as I catch my breath, we were down there and we've come up here. Doesn't look as far as it looks from down there, down here now, but trust me, it's a nice little workout coming up there when you're not used to working out or doing any exercise at all. But there we go, there's Bournemouth Beach down to the right, and the sun's out again. The clouds are really moody, but what another great day overall.
Okay, so we made it to the top and look at this view, it's amazing. So we are now walking up to the car park to go back to our campsite, and also tonight we're planning on going to the pub. There's a sea zip line. I found a wild Rupert eating berries.
So here we are at Bournemouth. We've had a day trip to Bournemouth today and we've got some friends with us, and just to end the day today we'd like to do a little bit of a review from the three musketeers in front of us here. So who's going to go first? Go on then, Theo. What's that on your finger, mate? What's that? What is it?
It's a willy warmer.
Oh, that's what I said, but anyway, not that I know what one is. Okay, so what do you think of Bournemouth?
So Bournemouth is really nice. It's really busy, and down there it's really busy, and the beaches are nice. I mean, the view is nice from up here. The car that arrived was nice.
So what do you want to score it?
Well, it's the weather that's making it drop points a bit.
Okay, so what do you think then? Blaming the weather, what would you give it?
Probably
Before it goes dark?
7.
7 out of 10? Yeah. Rupert, what do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. There are a lot of holes in the beach. It's just random holes.
There are, aren't they?
Well, there's one there. It's just random holes.
Okay.
I think 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. What did you like about Bournemouth? Other than the company?
The beach.
Okay.
The holes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice food today, yeah?
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh yeah, food is really nice.
Okay. And Izzy, what do you think?
5.
5. There's a teenager's view of Bournemouth.
Get my ice cream.
Ah, that's still to come. We've got time for that yet. Okay.
I'm a celebrity. Get me out.
So what do you think of Bournemouth then, Izzy? What was your favourite bit?
I don't know. Upside down house. No, I'm changing my review because of the upside down house. I'm going to change my review to a 9.
A 9.
I'll change it upside down.
Go on then.
I'll do it. Oh yeah.
8 out of 10.
There's also a Pokemon shop. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He enjoyed that. For me, nonsense. £12 on a pack of cards.
How much?
Exactly. Japanese pack though. Japanese.
Ooh. I'm going a bit faint. And there's a wasp. And there's, look, Rupert's Brave the Wasp. So look at the view down there. Fantastic little view down there. We've done it. We've done it from the other side. We've done it from this side now, and we can see a hole down there that the kids are playing nicely down there. Look, so there's a thing about holes. So maybe we're digging to get to Australia.
Like for my dad's editing skills, and don't forget to subscribe to Glidewells on Tour for more amazing videos.
Woo!